んにちは。Today's Tao. Bars no bolts. よく閉ざすものは関係なくしてしかも開くべからず。Good shutting doesn't need either bars nor bolts, but no one can open it. Chapter 27. The best defense is no defense. Don't try to protect anything. Protecting something is the best way to lose it. Chuan-Tzu, a distant disciple of Lao Tzu, says in his book, although you hide your boat in a valley and the nets in a swamp, a powerful man may steal them and run away. If the thing is supposed to stay with you, it will be there. If not, let it go. Thank you. See you tomorrow for the next line of Tao Te Ching